Please take a mobile, she's coming. अच्छा ऐसे बोलना पड़ता है. Maintaining the safe distance, keeping the wind direction in mind. Clearly. Good. So now Dujani, madam. This reminds me, like, when she started off, initially it was practice, lying on the ground. So our instructor. The next person, please get ready soon. Good. Sweeping motion. And it's not that. Okay, next. Jaldi. An important point I would like to mention. The most of the companies, wherever there have been disasters, they have been maximum due to fire only. If you look at the history,